just love lobster. Lobster, lobster, lobster. I love lobster. I'm gonna just put this right on this nice warm bun. I got 4 lobster tails, and I'm gonna bake these chives. You can use onions, but I like chives. Let's have a dab of lemon on my fish. I love lemon on it. Squeeze some lemon on it. Woo! Want to get all the excess water out of it. And I've added a little bit of touch of olive oil to it. Usually I don't have butter, but with lobster, pour on the butter, man. 2 minced celery. I just want to go down. And then you're going to open it up and pull it out. So, bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi, and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Annie's Kitchen. Today, I have something that I just love. Lobster. Lobster, lobster, lobster. I love lobster. Any way I can get it. And you know, usually I don't have butter, but with lobster, pour on the butter, man. I love it. So, grab a cup of coffee. I'll tell you what we're going to do. Today, with the lobster roll, ooh, I got 4 lobster tails. And I'm going to bake these in olive oil. Now, I buy organic whenever I can. And I have celery. These are heart celery. But you can get just the big celery. We're going to put a couple of stalks of celery in there. Minced. Some chives. You can use onions, but I like chives. Just a little bit in there. So you don't want to overpower it. Of course, mayo. I'm going to put mayo in there. And a squeeze of lemon. Yep, a squeeze of lemon. And you know, people put lobster roll, it's called lobster roll, they put it on hot dog buns. I want to set it on a sub because I want lots of lobster on my buttered, toasted sub. You know, does it sound good? Does it sound delicious? You know, when it's like half the price, because you go out to a restaurant and you go, what, a lobster roll? Yeah, you know, sometimes you're like, where's the lobster? Where is it? It's just a lot of mayonnaise and celery. But this, you could just put chunks of delicious lobster on it. Ooh, on a drawn, buttered, toasted bun. Oh my God. And to top it off, I got these dill pickle chips. Don't they look good? They are good. They are good. I have a few bags of them. If I open that, they'd be gone. So, have some coffee with me. And let's get to making lobster roll. That I think you're going to love, because it's just, you have chunks of it. And you know, if you have a party and you have lobster roll, you have tuna fish. If they don't like that, you have chicken salad. And I always have a dab of lemon on my fish. I love lemon on it. Squeeze some lemon on it. Woo. Just a little bit. You don't want to overpower it because you want to taste the lobster, right? So, come on into my kitchen and let's make lobster roll. Ooh. My way, your way, and you'll just love it. So I washed and dried the lobster tails. You want to get all the excess water out of it. And I've added a little bit of touch of olive oil to it. And we're going to bake it in the oven, preheat it. We're going to preheat our oven to 375. And we're going to bake it 10 to 12 minutes. And we'll come back. Because then we're going to wash our celery and our chives and make the salad. So I had the lobster in the oven for 12 minutes at 375 and 10 minutes at 400 because they were large lobster. So what we're going to do while the lobster is continuing to cook, we're going to add our butter. And I got this butter, classic butter. And we're going to just add the butter. We're going to butter really. Give it a good thing about it. Some people use butter, unsalted butter. I don't. I use salted butter. Just going to fold it over like that. And we're going to put it in the toaster oven until it's toasted when we're ready for it. So the lobster is done. And it looks beautiful. Doesn't it look beautiful? So we're going to cut Now we're going to let it cool a little bit and cut it and take the meat out of the shell. To get the meat out after it's done, you can take a scissor, and of course I have to wash kitchen floor every time I cook. And you just want to go down, and then you're going to open it up and pull it out. That needs to be a little more. So we're going to work on that, and we'll get the chunks out. And what I'm going to add to this, besides the chives, the mayo, and the celery, I'm going to add a little bit of Old Bay seasoning, some onion granules, and a touch of dill weed. So these are the things that are going to go into my delicious lobster roll. We took the lobster out, and we have nice chunks here of lobster. To that, we're going to add 2 minced celery and about a tablespoon of chives. Now you can add more or less if you want, but I might even add just a little bit more. We're going to see how that tastes. And then we will come back. And 1/4 cup of mayo. Now that also is to your taste. You might want a little bit more mayo. And lemon juice. A half a lemon. And you want oh, I'm tongue-tied here. You might want more of that too. So we're going to turn it around, and we'll come back and we'll add our spices. So I've taken some more chives, and I'm just going to blend that in just a little bit. You know, I kind of wanted more chives in there. It's not too much. We'll just leave that off, and we'll mix that around. Wow, it smells great. Wow, and you do have enough mayo with the 1/3 cup, and you want to put a little bit of a dash of onion powder in there, a dash of dill, a dash of Old Bay spice, and black pepper on the top. Now, next we're gonna toast our buns, and then we're gonna give it a taste. Now, a little bit of black pepper on the top. We're done. Let me toast those buns. Woo! I also gave it another squeeze of lemons. Not lemons, lemon. So I used a whole lemon in here because I like lemons in it. So, and now we're going to give it a mix because I think I need a little bit more lemon. So it's a whole lemon in there now. So it's done, and it's nice and toasted, and the butter just melted perfectly. And I have my chips, my dill pickle chips, which I just love. And I ran out of these yesterday because I love these pickles. The Gorillos pickles, half sour. Oh my gosh, they're really good. I get them in Whole Foods. I don't know where else you could get them. And you could top your lobster salad off with a tomato and some iceberg lettuce, or the lettuce of your choice. So we're gonna just put this right on this nice warm bun. See how much you can get in there instead of a hot dog roll? You can get a lot in there. Oh my gosh. And just pack it in. And we're gonna come back and take a taste of this delicious hot lobster roll. I can't wait. Did you make yours? Yup, I hope so. Because, you know, there's nothing like lobster roll. Especially when you make it at home, because it's all the lobster you want to eat. And, you know, some people don't like mayo. Well, you can make a warm buttered one. Instead of using mayo, just make a warm lobster roll, which is also delicious. So I didn't put any lettuce in mine yet, or tomato, but I might do that this evening. Well, we're going to take a taste. like this video, subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much, and thank you for your comments. I really appreciate it. Wow, I just love it. Thank you for taking your time to write to me. Also, I told you I put black pepper in there, Old Bay seasoning, a little bit of onion granules, and dill weed. It made it very tasty as well, which I like. You know, I love spices, you know that. And I love butter in this. Not normally do I have, because I freeze my butter. So, come again, we'll be cooking up a storm. I love to cook. I love fashion. I'm a fashion hound. I like talks. I'm a fitness instructor, and I love crafts. So, enjoy your day, and thanks for stopping in Annie's. I go make your lobster salad. Surprise your family. Say, you know what, tonight we're having lobster salad. Woo! They'll love it. I guarantee it. Or a party, like, make different kind, have a salad party. You know, green salad, and tuna salad, and chicken salad, and lobster salad. I think your friends will love it. Oh, and your family. So, thanks for stopping in, Annie's. I go bye-bye for now.